Welcome to our post-game press conference where after their 104-97 victory against Northport, we are with best player of the game Ian Simbalang and winning coach, Coach Chito Victorero. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Chito, tonight you went beyond your average of 85.7 points per game. What were the necessary offensive adjustments that you had to make going up against the league's top offensive team so far?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank Lord Jesus Christ for this W. Yeah, that's our problem on our last two games, our offense. And we talk about the ball movement in practice. We talk about sharing the ball. We talk about sacrificing. And the last time we played, we have only around 15 or 16 assists lang. So it's below on our average. Our goal is around 22 to 24 assists per game. And that's why siguro masyadong mababa yung points namin. And big factor din talaga yung preparation namin. And we have a bad preparation talaga last time because we have only 8-9 players in practice. And majority of them are big man. So but no excuses, and I'm very happy. Yesterday, I told to the players that I missed the practice. Yung practice namin yesterday, tsaka nung a day before, talagang sobrang ganda. So I think big factor talaga yung preparation. Big factor yung sa amin, kasi yung system namin eh. Once we have a good practice, I think we have a good chance of winning the game because doon kami kumukuha ng buwelo.
Coach, throughout all your games, Pagnolia's defensive identity has stayed intact. You were able to limit all your opponents to less than 100 points. Tonight, you've done the same, but you've showed frustration with the free throws that you've given up, 33 free throws to be exact. Are you still trying to find the balance between being physical and finding this defensive identity again?
Yeah. We actually on the last yung dalawang talo namin, we limit our opponents under 90 points. But problema namin, di kami makascore. And also, we talk about three things on this game. Transition defense, rebounding, and foul. So, yung tatlo na yon. And I think yung isa, hindi namin nagawa because we gave up at least 33 free throws. So, actually, doon sila nakakahabol eh. Yung maganda yung laro namin, but we keep on fouling, penalty, so nakaka-easy 2 points sila. But we just try to dig deep, grind this game, and I told them this is not an easy game because this team is the #1 team in terms of offense. So we just need to dig deep and grind on our defense. So yun lang yung nangyari. And thankful to the guys stepping up. Everybody step up, especially this guy. Talagang malaking bagay to sa amin na nag-step up si Ian on this game. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Ian, congratulations. Nag-step up ka with a double-double performance, 32 points and 13 rebounds. What was it about today? Do you feel na kaya ka nakascore dahil masyado na-attract ng mga guards nyo yung depensa? Was it the mismatches? Ano ba yung nag-fuel ng laro mo tonight?
For me, siguro yung mga teammates ko. We help each other, parang pinag-usapan namin na magtulong-tulungan kami before this game and kailangan maging ready kami today kasi back against the wall, talo kami back-to-back. So mahirap na matalo na pangatlong sunod-sunod. So ngayon, alam namin na dito sa liga na to na kahit sino pwede kaming talunin. So siguro isa wake-up call para sa amin yung dalawang sunod na talo namin na ganoon yung nangyari. So thank God, nakabawi kami ngayon kahit kulang kami sa tao. And ayun, lahat naman nag-step up today.
Ian, from being sidelined noong 2023 Governors Cup at ngayon nakikita mo na yung rhythm mo na bumabalik, best player of the game ka nga. Ano ba yung meaning nito para sa'yo? Gaano ba ka hirap to get back to where you are right now?
Siguro para sa akin yung nangyari sa akin na parang inisip ko lang na challenge yun para sa akin and may dahilan kung bakit nangyari yun and sobrang thankful ako sa lahat na nangyari and after that nakikita ko naman yung sagot eh. So thankful ako sa coaching staff, especially kay coach sa tiwala ulit na binigay niya sa akin, sa mga teammates ko, sila yung naglip sa akin na makabalik dito eh. And siyempre sa practice na ginagawa namin everyday. So ayun, positive lang everyday and magiging okay din yung lahat.